YouTube चैनल में मैं रज़ा खान।
मैं हूं अब्दुल मोहित
और आज हम रिएक्शन करने जा रहे हैं
अवनीत कौर की Q&A वीडियो पे
आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन अवनीत कौर 2021 Q&A। अभी एक दिन हुआ है इसको आए हुए, तो बड़ा मजा आने लगा, बहुत ज्यादा। तो रिएक्शन शुरू करते हैं। इसका ये कहना है कि वीडियो बहुत लंबी है और मेरा ये कहना है जो मर्जी हो रिएक्शन तो होगा। तो रिएक्शन शुरू करते हैं।
बात हो सही है तो इतना तो रहता नहीं, जो
चाय पीते पीते रिएक्शन होगा। रिएक्शन शुरू करते हैं 3 2 1 एंड गो।
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Avneet, and today one of the most asked videos of all time. Actually, I've been receiving a lot of questions about it. कि आप please ऐसी एक वीडियो करो जहाँ पे you put like you tell us to put all the questions and you reply to them. So people have been wanting me to do this since a very long time, and finally I've got the time. And let's begin.
हम किधर थे इस टाइम
में? So the first question that we have here is your struggle story in detail. It would be very inspiring.
सही बात है.
Okay, so as you guys know that I have started from DIT Little Masters, and when I began, I was 7 years old and I was the youngest contestant on the show. I remember struggling a lot because मैं सिर्फ वहाँ पर एक कथक dancer थी, and everyone used to know each and every form over there. And you know, when you don't know a lot of things, you have a very less scope, very chance of going ahead. But I went till top 7 because of your support, and here I am now. So I've struggled a lot for that, but now I know a lot of dance forms. So cheers.
अब तो belly और क्या है belly dance master.
Having a tattoo again? If so, what would it be? So काफी सारे लोगों को पता नहीं होगा. I think I have 2 tattoos right now. This one is called Lotus Analom. It is related to Shiva. And I have another one on my leg. It's the anklet bracelet that I got in Goa. So the third one that I want, I think I'll get it over here. But my mom would like that. I know that she's watching this, so nahi mama. Please. Next question. Did you go to acting classes before joining the industry?
Good question.
As a surprise, no, I've never. I've taught myself. I've always rehearsed it by myself. कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मम्मा ने या पापा ने बोला बेटा जाओ ये वर्कशॉप कर लो जाके. Because I think मतलब मेरे को ज़रूरत नहीं, मैं बहुत ही ड्रामा हूँ खुद में, मैं करती रहती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ. So I keep doing that by myself. And I think it's better when you discover yourself by yourself. So I think this has been the best for me. But हाँ, definitely if I get a chance to have a workshop in future with the big shots like Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Mukesh Chhabra or all those people, I would love to be a part of it. Next question, will we ever get to see Avneet in a web series?
Very good question.
Definitely, as you guys know, मैंने बब्बर का टब्बर किया है on Z5 and that was my first web series. But definitely right now, जैसे सब लोगों को पता है कि more than TV shows, अभी web का ज़माना आ चुका है. तो मैं definitely चाहूँगी, try करूँगी कि मुझे एक ऐसा role मिले that will be like nuts and people just go crazy by watching me in that web show. So definitely, I would love to. Alright, so the fourth question is, what's your eye color? I love my videos. First of all, thank you so much. I loved that you love my videos. So my eye color is dark brown. मैं lenses पहनती हूँ because I have contacts. I have like a proper number, which is a far number. And I wear light brown lenses and I'm wearing them right now. But people don't know this. I have really dark brown eyes. What's your goal after this pandemic? भाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यही निकल जाए, सब लोग सेफ रहे, हेल्दी रहे, यही है फिलहाल दिमाग में. बिकॉज़ ये तो खत्म होगा. वेरी बिग इशू फॉर द ह्यूमन रेस एंड द इकोनॉमी एज वेल ऑफ इंडिया. But definitely right now all I want is that people stay safe and healthy, and for all the upcoming viruses to not come, please let it be. Let us just freaking live, bro. And the next question is, why you are not making Tollywood songs? Guys, Tollywood industry, first of all, great hats off to you all. I would love to be a part of. But as you know, I'm a Punjabi. And Punjabis don't understand Tamil songs that well.
Tollywood
but I
means
definitely,
Tamil
अगर मेरे पास
industry.
कोई ऐसा दोस्त हो जो मुझे समझा दे, तो मैं समझ के इन पे गानों पे रील्स बनाने की definitely कोशिश करूँगी. So absolutely a yes to Tollywood songs. One Direction or BTS? I'm so sorry, BTS fans. I love you all, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but One Direction is forever. And
Bro,
क्योंकि मैंने मतलब
अभी
मैं
search
जिससे
करेगा।
पढ़ी हुई हूँ, मैंने उनके
One
गाने सुन के
Direction।
पढ़ी हुई हूँ, Kiss You, and you know all those what makes you beautiful. So definitely it's gonna be One Direction. I hope Harry Styles is watching this. What you will get by stealing
Brothers clothes.
वो recording कर रहे हैं,
What
वहाँ
you
लगे
get by stealing your brother's clothes. Sukoon.
क्या?
Yeah, Jay, that's what I get. And I think he's got a different vibe to his clothes. That's what I love to steal personally. So yeah, sorry Jay, I'm so sorry. Ever faced rejection? If yes, then how many times?
ये अच्छा है.
देखो यार, rejection is a part of life. I think in all the viewers that are watching me right now, you keep asking me how to get into the acting industry. First of all, it's not an easy thing to do. I've not been that person who has a godfather in front of me and who's keeping a hand on me always. And I've never ever had a person in my family who's in this background. Everybody has been a doctor, a teacher, in the government, and nobody's been in this field. So damn, yeah, it's a task, but I think struggle is important, and that's what I have done, and that's what I will always do in my life. So don't lose hope, keep trying and keep just pursuing your dream. That's what I want to say. That's all. Favorite lipstick shade कौन सा है? Okay, currently my favorite lipstick shade is Revlon's.
ये बात हमारी समझ में आ रही है.
Revlon's Ultra Shine something. It's called Date Night, and I'm wearing it right now. You guys can zoom in the video, take your screenshots or whatever. See for yourself. It's a beautiful neutral shade that I really really like and recommend. Which all languages do you know? Alright, so थोड़ा फायदा उठाते हुए मुझे पंजाबी आती है क्योंकि मैं पंजाबी
हमें भी
से
आती है.
काफ़ी टाइम. मुझे पंजाबी लिखनी आती है, पढ़नी आती है, बोलनी इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती, which is weird. And I can understand people who are talking in Punjabi. Jay knows it well, I know, but I try. I know Hindi. Obviously, I've got really good marks in Hindi in my school days. I know English well, and मुझे पंजाबी के सिवा एक और regional language आती है जो है मराठी, which I cannot speak that well, but I understand. तो कोई मेरा उल्लू बना रहा है कि मुझे समझ आएगा कि वो मराठी में क्या बोल रहा है. And by the way, the fifth one is Gujarati. मेरी एक दोस्त है जिसका नाम है कृपा लखानी जी. वो मतलब पूरा टाइम अपने दोस्तों के साथ गुजराती में बातें करती रहती हैं, तो मुझे अब थोड़ा समझ आना शुरू हो गई गुजराती. तो अगर मुझे कभी कोई गुजराती फिल्म का आया तो मैं कर सकती हूँ अब. What if you'll get a chance to debut on Marvel Cinematic Universe? First of all, I would want to tell Marvel that please क्यों Avengers मार दिए यार सारे. मैं अभी भी रोती हूँ seriously. I cry.
नहीं मरे हैं.
Like कितने सारे मरे हैं यार अभी लास्ट वाले में.
ऐसा बोल तू सबको मार दे तूने.
सही बात है.
Iron Man is dead, no? Like that's my main guy. Isn't it your main guy too?
Yeah, alright, let's not go there.
Yeah.
बाद में मर गया, सारे मर गए.
So I would just want कि वो goodbye scene जो था नहीं आया, but anyway, I would
वैसे
love
बड़ा
to play a
अजीब था
character if they have that for me. Like Black Widow is universal
हाँ.
and it's exceptional. It's so beautiful. So ऐसा कुछ यार character मिले तो life बन जाए definitely. When you post a reel on stories, please don't put sticker on it because in Pakistan no Insta music available.
सही बात है.
This is something I didn't know. और मेरी पाकिस्तान से बहुत सारी fan following है. तो I'll keep this in mind that I won't put a new reel sticker on.
हाँ जी, शाबाश.
Reels.
ये तो अच्छा हुआ काम हो गया भाई.
In which year did you open your Instagram account? I think it's 2015. Oh my god, I just guessed it randomly मैंने फेंका और हो गया. चलो 2015 में मैंने अपना अकाउंट बनाया होगा और मेरी पहली फोटो जाके मत देखना बहुत ही.
अभी देखिए.
I remember I'm pouting like
Yeah.
When Jay YouTube video come. When Jay video come bro.
तेरे से काम खत्म होगा तो.
जय मैंने और रीन ने, अगर आपको पता नहीं है, एक वीडियो बनाई है and it's called Try Not to Laugh Challenge. So all the viewers that are watching me right now, जय का YouTube वीडियो बहुत ही जल्द आने वाला है. I'll put a swipe up so you can watch and subscribe and like and do all that stuff. Please do. The next question is, you look like Selena Gomez's young sister. Seriously, what is your favorite Selena song? First of all, high five for saying that. I love you. Selena is my favorite, and Selena's current favorite song of mine is
याद कर रही हूँ।
बायला कॉन्वीनो, सॉरी बायला कॉन्वीनो।
सलीना का असली नाम सरस्वती तो नहीं है ना?
कमीना। तो बायला कॉन्वीनो is my current favorite song and I've also made a video on it already. Your favorite makeup artist? Hey sister. You know what I'm thinking. So a day you will never forget in your life.
Let's do that again.
Yeah.
Question.
A day you will never forget in your life and why? That day would be the day that I got my golden wings from DID. I remember Remo sir ने मुझे दिए थे and that was like my mainstream, you know, एकदम तब लगा था कि हाँ भाई अब कुछ हो रहा है लाइफ में, अब कहीं जाना है, मुंबई जाना है. So I think that was the time my mega auditions when I got the golden wings. So that day of my life I'll never forget. What genre do you like to read? Okay. So I love reading, as you guys know. I am a bookworm and I keep reading all the time. I really like reading mystery, crime and thriller and all that. Yeah. Which is your upcoming song and who is your co-actor in the song? So guys, this is the last question. Has to be funny and has to be informative, but I'm sorry it can't be both. I cannot tell you what my next song is and who the co-actor is, but I can just give you a little bit of a hint that this project is really close to my heart and this
किसने
project
इसका
is
अर्थ नहीं
very,
पूछा?
very, very special. It's gonna come to your
पूछो जो
screens
skip
very
हो गया
soon
वो।
and I hope कि आप लोगों
लेकिन
को
वो क्यों
इतना
करे?
पसंद आए कि आप इतना प्यार करो और इसको सुपर डुपर हिट कर दो और
किसने मेरा
अपने
भी?
रिव्यूज दो because this is
तेरा
something
यार।
different I've done for the very first time. So
Sorry.
that's all I can say. But thank you so
मैं
much guys
पूछता हूँ
for staying here, sticking around
roast हो
and
गया।
do like, comment, share.
भाई
and also-
लाजमी करना भाई।
हमारा
जल्दी
चैनल भी
करना।
लाइक करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो, सब्सक्राइब
11
करो।
मिनट की वीडियो सिर्फ उनकी नहीं देखी, आपको दिखाई भी अपने साथ बैठा के, तो लाइक शेयर लाजमी।
तो ये थी आज की वीडियो अपनी कोर के क्वेश्चंस।
क्वेश्चन
काफी मजे
और
के।
तुम्हें काफी कुछ जानने को मिलेगा।
हाँ, जैसे
बड़ा आया कहाँ से
dark brown
रखी पता ही
colour
कुछ नहीं।
और क्या कहते हैं, और क्या था?
हाँ देखो ये था, ये
पूछ
क्रश की
सवाल
इज्जत,
पूछ, मैं तो
ये
जवाब
क्रश
दूंगा।
के लिए प्यार, ये है
भाईजान
वो।
सवाल पूछो, बातें ना कहो।
ठुक
अब
कर
इसको
आगे
खुद
मेरे
सवाल
पे।
याद नहीं है ना, बातें को
नहीं,
आएगा।
मुझे याद है।
पूछ।
उन्होंने क्या कहा था कि वो कैसे देखोगे तुम कलर?
कौन सा कलर?
वो जो लिपस्टिक का या पता नहीं किसका था। बोल, और कहा था स्क्रीनशॉट लेके देखना, मुझे वो नहीं पसंद।
उन्होंने कहा पसंद है न्यूट्रल वाला।
हाँ तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके देखो।
और ये किसका क्या चाहा?
इसको वो नहीं
यार ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करिएगा। मिलते हैं आपसे में, तब तक के लिए
खुदा हाफिज।
ये लो चुपेरे मार।
मुका भी मारा।
बग्गे बग्गे बिल्लियां दा की करेंगी, बिल्लो बग्गे बिल्लियां दा की करेंगी नी, मेरा मारदा उबाले खून अंग अंग तो हो, काले जे लिबास दी शौकीन ने कुड़ी, दूर दूर जावे मेरे काले रंग तो।